air. Can you tell which fan would give more air? Just take a while and you can answer in the chat box. Which air bubble has more potential energy? Is the bubble at the bottom or the bubble at the top? There are two glasses of milk shown in the picture, one with the froth and another without any froth. Can you tell which milk will stay warmer for a longer time?
I think it was a wonderful session. Of course, questions are interesting and make us think. And joy of learning is always in that only.
Wonderful. Would love having more sessions and discussions with you. It was really great. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.